To see your feedback on your midterm paragraph, you're going to go to grades. So I'm going to click right here on grades. My computer is slow, but it's coming. There we go. And anytime I click on grades, I can see what is my score in the class right now. I can remember how my grade is calculated. And I can see what's late, what's missing, and what scores I got. So I'm going to go down. Oh, we've done a lot of things. Here it is. Okay. So I'm going to go to the midterm paragraph retest from April 8th. And then if you notice over here, we have a bunch of choices. So the first thing I'm going to do is just click on the whole assignment. Now, since I'm the teacher, there's no paragraph here. But if I was a student, the paragraph would be here. You can see what you wrote. And then over here, you see some of the comments. So I put comments in different places. These are some of the big comments for the whole paper. I put this for a lot of students. Put a period, not a comma, after simple and compound sentences. So sometimes I copied a sentence from your paragraph and I put it right here and I made some changes. Like I put a period instead of a comma. So if you see what I put over here, try to find where it came from and compare. What is different? What is the same? Okay, now this is important. I put most of your comments here in the rubric. So you're going to click up here, show rubric. And then you can see how many points did you get for the topic sentence. How many points did you get for supporting points? Concluding sentence. Sentence structure, meaning subjects and verbs. Good verb tense, and then paragraph format. So I'm going to look here to see my scores and also the comments. So I typed comments in here like good topic sentence. I can only see one main support. You also need more details. Remember, a concluding sentence should repeat the topic sentence but in different words. Okay? So I'll put different comments in here for each student. So please read your comments carefully.